Here's what you'll need for my lamb mince Keema Matar. Lamb mince, of course, which is the keema bit, means mincemeat. Some peas, which is the matar bit. Then you'll need some onions. I've gone with spring onions, but you can use shallots or a normal onion if you like. Some fresh ginger, garlic, tomato puree, 3 or 4 fresh tomatoes, fresh chillies, touch of honey. Spices, you'll need some turmeric, coriander, chili powder, cumin, ginger, garam masala. If you haven't got any garam masala, just use normal curry powder. First thing we're going to do, heat some oil up into a pan, and then it's in with your mincemeat. And we're just going to give that a few minutes to brown off. With your meat cooking away, it's time to get on with your veg. First your spring onions, just cut that root off. And then just go up away and cut the top leaves off. Next the chili peppers, and with the green ones I'm just going to cut them into strips. And with the red one I'll just leave them in little circles. With your tomatoes, give them a cut. Cut them into quarters, cut that little greeny bit off, and then cut them again into 8. Then crush your garlic, and get your fresh ginger grated. With your meat nicely cooked through, it's time to turn that out onto a plate, and it's in with your onions and chili peppers. And we're just going to give them 5 minutes just to fry down a bit and soften up. When they've had a few minutes to soften up, it's time to go in with your ginger and garlic. And we're just going to give them a minute or 2 just to heat through. Then it's in with your spices, with as much chilli or little as you'd like, and a teaspoon of the others. Whenever you add powder to something you're cooking, it's always good to have a dash of water as well. Otherwise your herbs and spices can burn. So again, give them another minute to heat through. Into there with your fresh tomatoes, and again we're going to give them a couple of minutes to cook through and soften down. Into there with a tablespoon of honey, and then it's back in with your mince and your fresh coriander. And squeeze your tomato puree, dash more water. Lastly, into there goes your matar or peas, and then we're going to give that 15 minutes simmering away for all them flavours to get to know each other. If you find it's drying out a little bit, just add some more water. And lastly, even though I forgot to film it, I've already seasoned it, but you can season to taste at the end as well. So some salt and some cracked black pepper. Once it's had 15 or 20 minutes cooking, it's time to dish it out with whatever accompaniments you think will suit it. In this case, I'm going with rice and poppadoms. But most of all, get stuck in and enjoy it.